Got another practice problem here. What we want to do is we want to calculate the frequency of a wave with a wavelength of 428 nanometers. Again, we've got two main equations that we've been using. That is C is equal to frequency times wavelength, and we've got energy is equal to h nu, or Planck's constant, times frequency. In this case, we are looking for frequency, and we're given a wavelength of 428 nanometers. So we're looking for an equation with wavelength and frequency in it. That would be this one here. Speed of light is equal to frequency times wavelength. So let's go ahead and set up our problem here. Frequency is the unknown. Wavelength, we have 428 nanometers, and C is always going to be 2.998 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Well, taking a look at this, right off the bat we've got trouble. We've got nanometers here, we've got meters here. We need to make sure that the wavelength is in meters, so let's go ahead and convert that. So to convert the nanometers to meters, what we'll do is we'll take and multiply this by, for every 1 nanometer, there is 1 times 10 to the minus 9th meters. So let's grab a calculator, punch that through. So we got 428 times 1 negative 9th, and we get 4.28 times 10 to the minus 7th. 4.28 times 10 to the minus 7th meters, and that's what we'll use in our problem. So we've got 2.998 times 10 to the 8th meters per second is going to be equal to nu, which we don't know, times 4.28 times 10 to the minus 7th meters. So we're going to divide both sides by 4.28 times 10 to the minus 7th meters. 4.28 times 10 to the minus 7th meters. Meters are going to cancel out over here. This whole thing cancels out, and what we get is nu is equal to 2.998 times 10 to the 8th seconds goes to the bottom over 4.28 times 10 to the minus 7th seconds, which is, let's go ahead and divide that out. So we got 2.998 times 10 to the 8th divided by 4.28 times 10 to the negative 7th, and that's going to be 7.00 with sig figs. 7.00 times 10 to the 14th. 7.00 times 10 to the 14th over seconds, which is the same as 7.00 times 10 to the 14th hertz. Let's clean that up a bit. There we go.